Medicare and Social Security are two completely separate decisions, but they are deeply connected, and the timing of each one can cost you or save you real money across your entire retirement. Today, I'm going to untangle the 4 ways these two decisions connect. And number 4 is the one that ambushes higher earners because it is based on a tax return from 2 years ago. Most people never see it coming. It also ties straight back to number 2, so stay with me to the end. Let me start with the calendar. Medicare eligibility begins at age 65 for most people. Social Security is different. You can start your Social Security benefit as early as age 62, but it will be permanently reduced by as much as 30%. If you wait until your full retirement age, which is between 66 and 67, depending on the year you were born, you get your full benefit. And if you wait even longer, your benefit grows by about 8% for every year you delay, all the way up to age 70. There's almost nowhere else on earth you can get a guaranteed 8% raise just for waiting. So here are the 4 connections. Connection number 1, if you were already collecting Social Security when you turn 65, you're usually enrolled in Medicare Part B automatically. It is convenient, but it means the decision gets made for you, so you want to know it is coming. Connection number 2, when you are on both, your Medicare Part B premium is pulled directly out of your monthly Social Security check. So in 2026, that $202.90 Part B premium comes straight off the top of your check before it ever reaches your bank account. Remember number 2, because number 4 makes it a lot more expensive for some people. Connection number 3, the timing of your Social Security can affect your taxes, and your taxes can affect your Medicare. These pieces do not live in separate boxes. They all feed each other. And now connection number 4, the one I told you to wait for, it is called the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount, and you will hear me call it IRMAA. If your income is above the threshold, which in 2026 starts at $109,000 for an individual and $218,000 for a married couple, you pay a surcharge on top of your standard Part B and Part D premiums. And here's the part that catches people. That surcharge is based on your tax return from 2 years earlier. So watch how number 4 slams back into number 2. That Part B premium coming out of your Social Security check, for a higher earner, IRMAA can push it from $202 all the way up to nearly $690 a month. A financial decision you make today, selling a property, taking a big withdrawal, converting a retirement account, can quietly raise your Medicare costs 2 years down the road and shrink the Social Security check you actually receive. The point is simple. These pieces move together. Small moves on timing can add up to thousands of dollars in either direction. Before you file for anything, it is worth modeling your options with someone who does this every single day. And I always recommend running it past a qualified tax advisor too. If you would like to walk through your timing, your Social Security, your Medicare, and how to avoid an IRMAA surprise, the link to book a free call is right below.